The Bible is more than a religious text. It's a collection of stories, teachings, poetry, and wisdom that has guided humanity for millennia. At its core, it offers powerful themes of unconditional love, redemption, compassion, discipline, and restoration, all essential for reparenting ourselves. In Genesis, we see the beginning of human vulnerability. Adam and Eve's story shows how shame and separation from divine love began, mirroring what many of us feel after childhood neglect or trauma. Reparenting invites us back to connection with ourselves and something greater. The Psalms are a beautiful emotional roadmap. King David's raw honesty, crying out in pain, shame, and joy, models emotional expression and spiritual intimacy. For those healing, it shows that vulnerability isn't weakness, it's part of healing. The life of Jesus, central in the New Testament, is the ultimate reparenting model. His teachings emphasized love, forgiveness, mercy, and care for the marginalized. His words, "Let the little children come to me," validate the worth of our inner child. Jesus healed with compassion, not condemnation. In reparenting, we need to learn to approach ourselves with that same loving acceptance. Even when we fail, we are still worthy of love and care. Grace, not punishment, transforms us. Proverbs teaches the importance of wisdom, discipline, and integrity. Reparenting involves rebuilding these inner structures with love, not fear. Discipline is reframed as guidance, not control. Wisdom becomes a daily practice of caring for our well-being. The story of the prodigal son is a powerful reparenting metaphor. No matter how far we stray from self-worth, there is always a path home. Healing starts when we allow ourselves to return to safety, to love, to wholeness. The Bible affirms the value of every person. You are fearfully and wonderfully made. Psalm 139:14 reminds us that our identity is sacred. Reparenting reconnects us to this truth, especially when it was never affirmed in childhood. Paul's letters speak of transformation, of being renewed in mind and spirit. This mirrors the journey of healing trauma, letting go of the old self, shedding shame, and learning to walk in freedom and purpose. Ultimately, the Bible teaches us that love never fails. Reparenting is a sacred return to self-love and divine love. Whether or not you follow the Bible religiously, its themes of compassion, repair, and rebirth offer deep nourishment for those healing from emotional wounds. To learn more about Reparenting Daily, check out the website and the 3 podcasts below.